All right, here we are, Cam. We're doing the first test on our 4-station singulator. We're mixing 4 bars together. So we're doing a 5 count here. We take them from bulk. We have them speed down the line. Count to 5. Drop them in the carton. Index the carton right through. We then drop another 5 here. We have identical machines. They would be running 4 different flavors. We have a 10 count that's dropped in on this one. This is counting 10 bars in a row. Then we have our last one that adds the final 10 to it. So we have 5, 5, 10, 10, giving us a total of 30. And then I'll show you how each one, we'll come back and check that one later. I'll show you how each machine works. They start from bulk. So you would bulk fill all the bars in here. We bring them up and around. You can see through the doors. We separate the bars, level 1 and level 2. We separate them so we can count individually each bar. If anything doesn't have enough space or enough time for us to count, we recycle it back into here and it comes back around. I'm going to move quickly here before we run out of cases. So, again, flavor 1, 2, 3, and 4, or higher count split into lower numbers. And here we are back trying to catch up again. So just in time for our last box. So since we can't keep up, we're recycling everything here. So when we miss one, it doesn't fill. So we have carton location sensors. So if you're making variety packs, and you're packing them by hand, we're showing you how you do it automatically. There you go, and let's count a couple of these. That's 5. 5. 5. 5. Get pretty good at counting 5. 4, 5, 2, 4, 2, 4, 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30, just like we asked. So there you go. Let us know when you want yours.